But the traditional classroom wasn't like my type of learning style. It was much more hands-on. I want to get something done. I want to make a difference.
Kaden Sheets is a senior here at Goshen High School. He spent the school year attending classes with Startup Moxie of Elkhart County. It's a hand-on learning program that gives students a head start in the business world.
But it is essentially like an entrepreneurship-based class where you're going to go through the whole entrepreneurial process and learn from mentors and other people that have already done this in Elkhart County, and then make your startup a reality.
This is the second year for the program. Normally the classes meets in person every morning. Students practice collaboration, visits area business, and meet local business leaders. But because of COVID, the students have been meet online. Kaden says he has still been able to meet and work with mentors preparing him for after high school.
And right now I'm working on my personal startup, which will be either a glasses company or a tea company. I haven't quite yet decided. And I'm currently in the what we call interpret phase. So I'll be going through and taking all of the interviews that I've conducted and finding out like what people are feeling about which startup they think I should do, or their feelings on which one has a better problem.
Goshen High School Principal Brian Bechtel says this is a special opportunity for students. Startup Moxie is our experience that you can't get inside most classrooms.
This really gets down to what exactly goes on in the business world when you own your own business and the risks that you have to take and those kinds of things. And there's just no better way to learn than being hands-on at the business when learning these kinds of things.
It can be really helpful, even if students think that they want to do something, for them to get some experience. And if they realize, at 17, 18 years old that it's not quite what they thought, it's better to realize that before they go to college for it,
Shelby Harms helps lead the Startup Moxie program. She uses her experiences and connections from working at Campcrest in Elkhart to provide real-life experience for students. Ms. Harms says these students' opportunities are the most exciting part of her job.
I think my favorite story is the student from Elkhart High School, and he had no idea what he wanted to do. And so he joined Startup Moxie, and one of the class tours was at Bowling Vision Center. This student loved it. And so he really wanted to kind of explore that a little bit more. So he was matched with a mentor. That is his new career path. And he got an internship at bowling through Startup Moxie, and he is just so excited.
And for Kaden, he says meeting the business leaders is the opportunity of a lifetime.
I've talked to already 40 plus of these industry leading CEOs, with some of them have Fortune 500 companies, and they're connections that you'll have for life. So not only are you going to be like talking to them about your startup, but you'll have them in your back pocket in case you end up going with your startup idea.